Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make strawberry sorbet. We'll dive right into creating a wonderfully refreshing dessert that's perfect for any occasion. This recipe focuses on achieving a vibrant, sweet flavor without using any honey, making it accessible for everyone. You'll discover the simple steps and key ingredients needed to whip up this delightful treat in your own kitchen. Get ready to enjoy a homemade sorbet that tastes absolutely incredible and is surprisingly easy to prepare. To begin, gather your essential ingredients for this delightful sorbet. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe strawberries, either fresh or frozen, which will be the star of our show. For sweetness, grab 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. We'll combine this with 1/4 cup of water to create a simple syrup, ensuring a smooth texture. Finally, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, approximately 1 tablespoon, will brighten all those wonderful strawberry flavors, making your sorbet truly pop. Now let's get into the simple preparation steps. If using fresh strawberries, start by hulling and slicing them. Next, in a small saucepan, gently heat your 1/2 cup of sugar with 1/4 cup of water until the sugar fully dissolves, creating a simple syrup. Allow this syrup to cool completely. Then, combine the prepared strawberries, cooled simple syrup, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice in a blender. Blend until the mixture is perfectly smooth. Then chill it thoroughly for at least 2 hours. Finally, it's time for the exciting part: churning and serving. Pour your thoroughly chilled strawberry mixture into an ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions, typically for about 20 minutes. You're looking for a consistency similar to soft-serve ice cream. If you prefer a firmer sorbet, transfer it to an airtight container and freeze for at least 2 more hours. Serve your homemade strawberry sorbet immediately for the best texture, or store it for later enjoyment. It's truly delicious.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.